Hey, I'm Ellie and welcome to Riff, the first AI for building real apps for work. With Riff, you can build automations, dashboards, and agents all through natural language. You are in control of the stuff that matters: integration security, data access, authentication, and of course, the outcome, bringing real value to your business. Enough chat, let's get building. I'm going to take you through building a Riff app from start to finish. Go to riff.new. We're going to sign in, and this is your dashboard. You'll see your apps. Each app comes with authentication and database. First thing you want to do is think about what problem is it we're trying to solve. I've put together customer feedback data. We can use Riff to integrate Google Sheets. Let's go back to our prompt box. This is where we describe what we want to build, and we want to build a dashboard and customer comments analysis from a Google Sheet. What happens now is we go into this planning stage with the agent. It's asking me about the type of analysis that I want to perform. Theme categorization, grouping by topics. Let's do that. Here is our Riff card. This helps to explain exactly what it is that's being built. Once we click this takes us into the setup stage. Agent is setting up our entire environment. And now we can see that we are in our workspace. We have an interface that is our dashboard, and we get a good feel for what it could look like once our data is connected. This is the preview, our interface for our application. Here is where we're going to interact with the agent. If we click on tasks, this is the plan that the agent has put together for us. It's already completed task 1, which was the landing page, and it's got 2 additional tasks here to connect and fetch comments from our Google Sheets and categorizing those comments using AI. Let's read what the agent's saying. It's suggesting we go for task 2. Sounds good to me. It's going to ask us to connect our Google Workspace. We're going to connect. It's asking me to log in to Google. Now the agent's asking us for the Google Sheets spreadsheet ID. Here you go. Okay, so it's using its tools to look at the specific spreadsheet. What's great here is that the agent's actually executing Python code. It's just given me a really cool visual so I can actually start seeing the data. So you've got this agent that understands the data and is able to talk our language to help us. We can move on to task 3. It's going to categorize the comments with AI. This is where I need my OpenAI key. I'm going to paste it in here. Now it looks like it's creating the categorization endpoint for us. It's telling us what it's done. The endpoints are created and tested. The backend is ready. We need to integrate it into the UI so you can see and use the categorization. Okay, the interactive dashboard ready to start. Let's just check what it's doing. We're going to be able to see all your comments categorized by AI. View category and theme distributions, filter and search through comments, analyze trends and patterns, and export the analyzed data. I'm happy with that. So yes, please start this. Quite excited to see what it's going to do. Great, looks like it's ready for testing. So if we load the data, nice. We have dashboard. We can see the category distributions. This is what it's seen within our data, that a lot of the comments are around feature requests and secondaries, bug reports. So this gives us really good insight into what people are commenting about really and talking to us about. There's going to be also top themes coming through. Already you can see the ability to be able to group things that are going on and send this over to the product team. Yeah, everything's there. Each one's tagged with specific information. This is great. I'm very happy with that about what's been created. You're able to share this app with a colleague. You can simply invite them here by typing in their email address. They can also collaborate on this tool and be an editor just like you. You can deploy. There's a app security feature here. I need to enable authentication. So if you went to this drop down, you'll see here that there's shields, and we can enable authentication right now by just clicking on these. Once they're clicked, that means that whoever comes onto this application needs to log in. Once we've got the security, we can now see that it's good to go and they're properly secured. And at this stage, we can simply deploy by clicking the deploy button. We can share this link with our team members, and they can also use it too. The app's live and good to go. And what I love now as well is we can enhance this as much as we want. What we could set up is a schedule to identify when those feature requests are being submitted and then send it over to Slack so the team can have that or connect to Linear. There's lots of integrations that could happen at this stage. This just helps you to see the creativity that you can have with this particular tool. And I can't wait to see what you guys build and hear your stories about how you are improving your workflows and getting more value at work. Thank you. Goodbye.